People, I'm back rolling. So I just I'm posting it late. So I just want to show you guys I went with the all chrome from Fleece Performance. It's heavy duty. It's made for hauling. And what we do, I went with bigger brake pads, the bigger caliber, the rotor, the whole 9 yards. So it comes from Fleece Performance, and y'all look them up. And so man, they'll give you so much information for trucks like this that haul. And I'm looking forward to see what it's gonna do, especially with heavier loads than normal. So it's supposed to be for heavy towing at all times. So yeah, man, I'm back rolling. This video is late, so I'm somewhere in New York by now. So yeah, I just want to show you guys and share this video with you guys. So appreciate the support from those that left comments under the video, and I want you guys to stay focused. Later.
Oh, legs going down. Go again, Lord. Here, Oh, legs going down.